I was coming back from work one particular day and I saw Zobo at a shop, so I decided to buy one. On getting home, I poured it into a cup, took one sip, and something was not just right. Too sweet, somehow watery, and the ginger was almost not there. That day, I just told myself, you know what, I can actually make this better at home. Because let's be honest, when you make it at home, you control everything. The ginger must be bold, the pineapple must show, the color must be rich. So I brought out my Zobo leaf, washed them properly. In this video, I'm using 2 paint buckets of Zobo leaves because I'm preparing it for my family. This one is strictly for home use, not for sale. Next, I transfer the washed leaves into a big pot. Then I wash my pineapple, cut out the back and add it into the pot. Next, I wash my ginger thoroughly, peel it and blend it or crush it. Then I add the ginger into the pot for that spicy kick. You can also add cloves for extra flavor. It gives that beautiful aroma and taste. Next, I wash my pineapple very well, cut it in and blend it with my Buchi Mix blender. When that is ready, I strain it with my chiffon cloth and squeeze out the juice very well. Then I keep it aside while I wait for the Zobo to be ready. I always leave my Zobo for at least 30 minutes to 45 minutes, not more than that, because by then it will be ready. And then I bring it down from the pot and allow it to cool down completely. This part is very important. Don't strain it while it is still hot. You have to allow it to cool down. Then I use a sieve or clean chiffon cloth to strain out the leaves. Then I add my sweetener. I prefer using the pineapple flavor I always buy at the market when buying the Zobo leaves. But you can use any flavor of your choice. You can use, if you want to use sugar, honey, date syrup, you can. But I prefer my Zobo not too sugary and not too bitter. So next, I stir everything very well until everything dissolve. My pineapple always comes out balanced because I add pineapple juice to it, like I showed you in the video when straining the juice. Finally, I pour my Zobo into clean bottles and store it in the fridge to chill. And that's it. Fresh, homemade, and made with love for the family. So tell me in the comment section, how do you like your Zobo? Very sweet, extra ginger, or very fruity? If you enjoyed this family recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you in my next video.